Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a paper rose. Here is what you will need: some paper, an art knife, scissors and glue. Let's get started. Take your piece of paper and fold it in half. Over here I'm using an A4 size paper. Fold it once more and make sure that you are creasing the sides properly. Take your art knife and now cut it into 4 pieces. Once that is done, take your piece of paper and fold it along the edge. We will be doing this to create a nice square. Fold over the extra piece, crease it nicely and then cut it off. What you will have now is a nice square. Fold it over once again to create 4 quarters. From here, fold the paper into all existing crease until you have a nice triangle. Cut a nice curved piece along the edge to create the petals. Repeat this with all 4 pieces of paper. From here we will begin to trim each layer created so far so that we have enough layers to create the remaining part, like so. Continue to do so until you have all 7 layers needed to create the petal. You will now need to curl and roll every petal, starting from the smallest layer to the biggest. For this I am using a quilling needle, but you can also do this with a toothpick. Do this with the first 2 layers. When you come to the 3rd layer and onward, first take some glue and stick the sides of the petals together. done sticking them together, don't forget to curl the edges so that your petals have a nice natural look. After you have curled all the edges, arrange them from biggest to smallest so that you have your flower. Once that is done, just add some glue and stick all the pieces together. While adding the pieces, you may want to snip off the ends of some of them so that you get a nice even look. Continue snipping and sticking all the pieces together until you are left with a nice beautiful little rose. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like, share, follow, subscribe and even comment below. Thanks for watching.